This is Derek Barr with Telecommunications, and today I'm going to make some training videos and show you how to troubleshoot and do some of the most commonly asked questions that we get with OneNet, and show you how to fix those issues. Now I'm going to talk about how to reboot your set-top box. What you're looking at here are our two different boxes. This is a DVR box right here. This is a non-DVR box. And to reboot them, all you do is unplug the power cord. Right now, obviously, neither one of them are plugged in, but I'm going to show you on the back where the power cord would be hooked in. All you do is unplug the power to the box, let it sit for about 30 seconds, then reconnect the power, and then the box will reboot. So first, if I'm using the DVR box, and the power cord in this situation, I'm going to rest it against my foot there. The power cord would be plugged in right here. So all the way over on this side, you would simply unplug that right there, or unhook that, and then wait about 30 seconds, push that back in, and then that would reboot your set-top box. You can always unplug it from the wall socket, but depending on where your hookup is, or you might have those buried somewhere behind the couch or something like that, so it might be easier, I would suggest just to undo the power from this point. For your non-DVR box, the power cord is here at the bottom, so it would be right there. So you would just unhook that, and then that will reboot your set-top box. I will actually show you an example of one of them plugged in. It's an easy, simple thing to do. Just make sure that you do unhook the right cord, or you could actually, unhook your cable to your TV, your HDMI cable, or you could unhook the OneNet signal coming in or something like that. So just make sure you do get the power cord. Okay, here is a DVR box that is hooked up and running. You can see, tilt up here, there is the Helmick Rock cam showing the valley, and tilt back down here. So this is a DVR box, and now it has several cables connected to it. This black one right here, let me get a little bit closer to that. There, this one right here is the HDMI cable that is going to my TV. This one right here is the actual OneNet signal coming into the box. And if you remembered, I showed you on the DVR box, the power cord connects way over here at the side. So to reboot this DVR box, all I'm going to do is simply disconnect that power cable right there to the DVR box. And I will just let that sit there. You can see that the TV has gone to no signal because it's lost the signal from the set-top box. And we just wait about 30 seconds, and I will plug that back in. This is not something that you should have to do on a regular basis, is to reboot the box. There's occasionally you might have a picture that freezes, or you might have a picture with no sound, and you would want to troubleshoot yourself. You can reboot the box, but it's not something you should have to be doing every day or something like that. If that is the situation, please give us a call at one of our offices. We can try to some different cables, or we'll try to do something to get that corrected, because it's not something that should be happening on a regular basis. But if it's a rare occurrence and you want to try to troubleshoot yourself, rebooting the box will usually take care of most issues. So it's been about 30 seconds. So all I'm going to do is to take the power cord, and I'm going to plug it back in to the set-top box. And now the set-top box is getting power again. It will go through the reboot process. I'm going to back the camera up so you can watch it go through that process. And let me focus here. That's the first screen that you would see as the box is rebooting. That's normal. It'll go back to black after that, and then come on with some green letters, which is all part of the boot up process. And there they are. And that screen will be up there for several seconds. Now it says loading player software, please wait. So you will see that screen for several seconds as it loads all the software. And then if everything goes well, it should pop back up to regular OneNet programming. Okay, it's asking me for the password. And if you remember, the default password is 1234. Here is the remote, and the number keys are here at the bottom. So I will simply put in the password 1234, hit the OK button. And there I am. I'm back up. So again, it's not something you should have to do often, but in some cases there will be situations where you're asked to reboot the set-top box. It's as simple as disconnecting the power cord, just to make sure that you do get the right cord. And that is how you reboot your set-top box.